today we want to talk about drink and eating healthy and drinking right, the right juice and the right liquid and the right alcohol. The alcohol which we're talking about some green, spinach, kale, and you know what I mean, we're talking about like some red apple, green apple, and all these natural fruits. These are the best alcohol you could ever drink in your whole entire life. Guys, I just want you to stay tuned. As I said, we have a lot of ideas and stuff coming out on the YouTube channel. And remember, as I said before, you know what I mean, it's all about eat right and drink right and live longer. And you know what I mean, that's the best thing, especially in these last days. You know what I mean, a lot of people just don't want to eat right and don't want to drink the right stuff. You know what I mean, to drink the right thing, we're talking about drink a lot of water, and you know what I mean, drink a lot of natural stuff, natural juice, green juice, and healthy fruits juice, and all these things. So guys, hopefully this can be a benefit and help to you, just some tips and ideas and things where you can do at home in your kitchen. As I said before, eat right and drink right and live longer. Thank you so much for tuning in with Chef Ricardo Campbell show, and stay tuned.